In the year 536, a mysterious darkness descended upon the world, plunging the land into an unyielding chill, causing crops to wither and civilization to teeter on the brink of collapse. As the sun dimmed and temperatures plummeted, communities found themselves grappling with an unprecedented hunger leading to desperation and unrest among the populace. Amidst the chaos, trust eroded and tensions soared as neighbors turned against one another, fighting not just for survival, but for the very essence of humanity in a world unraveling. In the midst of despair, the community sought solace in the past, turning to ancient texts and wisdom that hinted at survival strategies, igniting a flicker of hope amongst the darkness. Through shared struggles and newfound alliances, the villagers began to rise from the ashes of despair, cultivating not just crops, but a renewed sense of community and resilience against the harsh realities of their world. As the darkness receded, a new dawn emerged, bringing with it not only the promise of better days, but the resilience of a community that had learned to stand together, transforming tragedy into triumph. The elders guardians of ancient knowledge became beacons of hope, sharing forgotten rescue methods that not only saved the crops, but also revived the spirit of the entire community. With the sun shining brighter than ever, the village came alive with laughter and joy as the stories of survival and unity echoed through the air, binding the community in a shared legacy of resilience and courage. As nature flourished once more, so did the community's bond forge through struggle and perseverance, transforming the village into a beacon of hope for others facing similar trials. The village evolved into a hub of knowledge sharing and innovation, with elders mentoring the youth, ensuring that the lessons learned from adversity would guide future generations toward a prosperous path. With gratitude filling their hearts, the villagers embraced the harvest festival, celebrating not only the fruits of their labor, but also the strength of their community and the resilience that united them through the darkest times.